Hey everyone, and welcome back to Animal Facts Zone 1. Ever wondered how some animals not only survive but actually thrive in the most insane places on Earth? I'm talking about places so hot they could boil water, so cold they'd freeze you solid, or with pressure so intense it would crush a submarine. Well, today we're diving into the world of nature's ultimate survivors. These aren't just tough animals, they are living miracles of evolution. So, buckle up because you're about to meet the most extreme creatures on the planet. Let's start in the scorching desert. The fennec fox, with its enormous ears, isn't just cute. Those ears are like personal air conditioners. They radiate body heat away, helping the fox stay cool under the blazing sun. And get this, they can get most of the water they need just from the food they eat, like insects and small rodents. Now that's what I call efficient living. From blistering heat, let's plunge into the icy depths of Antarctica. Meet the emperor penguin. These champions of the cold endure winter temperatures that drop below -40 degrees Celsius. How? They huddle together in massive groups, sometimes thousands of them, constantly rotating so everyone gets a turn in the warm center. It's the ultimate display of teamwork. Plus, the dads are incredible. They incubate a single egg on their feet for 2 months, without eating, through the harshest winter on Earth. Talk about dedicated fathers. Now let's go even deeper, to a place with zero sunlight and crushing pressure. The bottom of the ocean. The giant tube worm is a true alien of the deep. They live next to hydrothermal vents that spew out superheated toxic chemicals. They have no mouth and no digestive system. Instead, they have a special relationship with bacteria living inside them. These bacteria convert the toxic chemicals from the vents into energy for the worm. It's like having a personal chef that cooks with poison. But what if I told you there's an animal that can survive pretty much anywhere, even the vacuum of space? Enter the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. These microscopic critters are practically indestructible. They can handle extreme temperatures, from near absolute zero to well above boiling. They can withstand insane amounts of radiation and the crushing pressure of the deep sea. When things get tough, they just dry themselves out and enter a state of suspended animation, waiting for conditions to improve. They've been found everywhere, from mountaintops to the deep sea, and yes, they've even survived being exposed to outer space. The tardigrade is hands down the toughest animal we know of. Finally, let's climb to the roof of the world, the Himalayas. The bar-headed goose is a high-altitude marvel. These birds migrate over the massive Himalayan mountains, flying at altitudes up to 29,000 feet. That's as high as Mount Everest. The air up there is incredibly thin, with only about a third of the oxygen you'd find at sea level. So how do they do it? Their bodies are just built differently. They have more efficient hemoglobin that grabs onto oxygen molecules, and they can breathe much deeper and faster than other birds. They make one of the most grueling journeys in the animal kingdom look like a walk in the park. From desert foxes to spacefaring water bears, the animal kingdom is full of incredible survivors that push the limits of life itself. It just shows that life can find a way, no matter how harsh the environment. Which of these extreme animals amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey to the planet's most extreme corners, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to Animal Facts Zone 1 and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.